In this video, we are going to design and print barcode labels using DRPU barcode label software. Here, we have choose linear barcodes with code 39 and D13 fonts. Click on Designing View, and enter your card dimensions. Click on Barcode option. Choose your barcode type and font. Enter barcode value, header and footer. You can change general settings. You can also modify size of your barcode. You can change font settings. If your business requirement is to track more than one barcode labels, one is for inventory management and other is for POS. For example, here we have created our first barcode label for inventory management, and now we are going to create our next barcode for point of sale. Here, we are performing the same process, which we have done earlier. Now, your barcode labels are ready. Click on Print option. Change printer setting according to your printer. Click on Print button. Now, you can see your barcode labels are printing. Here, your barcode labels for price tags are ready. Thank you.